Hind. I would like to highly appreciable, respected Maithili Sharan Gupta sir, retired Director General of Police, Madhya Pradesh. We know the graph of crime is increasing day to day, of all kinds like cyber crimes, domestic violence, thefts, etc. And it's only due to unawareness of our duties, rights, and mindset. Mr. Maithili Sharan Gupta sir had started Crime Free Bharat Mission. It's a vibrant platform to aware the public and make a concrete solution work for how to handle the situation through his deep knowledge in his service. He worked for humanity and peace in the society. His efforts for a nation is highly appreciable. I really congrats and deep wishes for his great noble work for society and nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.